Did you know that the starfish has no brain? Believe it or not, but this is true. The starfish belongs to a group of animals called echinoderms, which means spiny skin. This is because their skin is covered with hard, sharp spines. Some are small, some are large, and some are even bigger than a basketball. The biggest one was found in the Caribbean Sea. It had a 40-inch arm span and weighed 220 pounds. Now that's one big starfish. As we have already learned, starfish do not have any brains. They also do not have any bones, muscles, or blood. And yet they are able to capture their prey and pass their food from one part of their body to another for further digestion. Starfish usually feed on clams, oysters, and other shellfish. Some of them can even eat small fish and other starfish. Most starfish have hundreds of tiny stomachs. They use these stomachs to digest acids and enzymes. These help break down the shells of their prey. But the starfish cannot move these shells to their mouths. Instead, the starfish squeezes its stomach out of its mouth and into the shell of its victim. There it digests the insides of the clam or oyster. Once the food is digested, the starfish pushes its stomach back inside its body and then grabs another prey. Wouldn't that be a bit gross if someone ate your homework? Well, this happens to crabs too. Most crabs are scavengers. They look for dead animals and leftover food. Hermit crabs even go inside empty snail shells and break open the soft insides of the snails. This is why they are known as the little demolition experts of the sea. Sometimes crabs meet while searching for food. When this happens, they fight by hitting each other with their large claws. After one crab gives up, the other one wins the food. Once it's full, it often hides in a cave or under a rock. Here it waits for another crab to come along and steal its dinner. If you ask me, it would be better to just share the food. But crabs aren't known for being very nice. When an octopus sees its dinner, it quickly shoots out its tentacles and tries to grab it. If the food is smart enough, it will swim away before it's too late. But most of the time, the octopus wins. That's because its tentacles are sticky. This makes it easy for the octopus to hold on to its prey. Did you know that the blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous creatures on our planet? Its venom is so strong that it can kill a human in less than 1 hour. The blue-ringed octopus is only 2 inches wide. It lives in the Pacific Ocean, most likely near Japan, the Philippines, and Australia. Even though it is very small, it can suck the air out of your lungs, so please stay away from the blue-ringed octopus. Some octopuses have more than 2,500 suckers on their tentacles. With all these suckers, the octopus can grab onto rocks and seaweed. It uses its tentacles to get food and to feel its way around. Octopuses are very curious and love to explore. When they find something interesting, they use their tentacles to grab it and bring it to their mouths. Sometimes they play with their food before they eat it. If the octopus wants to hide, it can squeeze itself through a small opening. Their bodies are very flexible and can change shape easily. This allows the octopus to fit into small spaces and escape dangerous predators like sharks and sea lions. Now let's talk about the cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are very clever. They can open doors and have even been seen using coconut shells as protection against predators. They can also use their skin to camouflage themselves with their surroundings. This helps them hunt their prey and avoid being hunted themselves. Cuttlefish live in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Some of them live in giant squid. These squids can grow up to 65 feet long. They have huge eyes like saucers and 8 arms with 2 long tentacles. The giant squid is considered to be the largest invertebrate on our planet. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. Now it's time to learn about the mimic octopus. Just like its name says, this octopus can copy the behavior of other animals. For example, it can pretend to be a lionfish, a sea snake, or even a stinging cell. When it copies another animal, the mimic octopus sticks out its arms like the stinging cells of a jellyfish. Other animals are fooled and think that they are looking at a jellyfish. That's why they leave the mimic octopus alone. Sometimes the mimic octopus plays dead and rolls over on its back. This tricks other animals into thinking it's not worth trying to eat. Then the mimic octopus swims away. Which one was your favorite? The scary blue-ringed octopus, the clever coconut-opening cuttlefish, or maybe the little demolition expert crab? Tell us in the comments below. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss out on any new videos. All the references used are added in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.